Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by forcing distortion and ambient leakage into the capture. Increase input gain until peaks clip by about 3 to 6 dB. This creates harmonic fuzz. Use a low-quality mic or a phone held 0.52 meters away and position a constant background source like a fan or distant traffic at low volume. Once done, record with an intentionally low sample rate or route through a cheap interface. Those first steps set the degraded character you'll deepen next. Now you shape the captured sound to emphasize artifacts and loss. Downsample the file to 16 kHz or even 8 kHz and export at 64 kbps mono to force codec smearing. Apply a bandpass, cutting highs above 6 kHz and lows below 200 Hz so clarity disappears. Then add digital effects, light bit crushing, low-rate resampling, and bounce the file through another recorder. Re-recording loops increases generational loss. Make sure to monitor. Small changes compound into pronounced degradation. Finish by stacking lossy processes until the audio is unmistakably poor. Re-encode several times with different lossy codecs to create generational loss, then blend in a reverberant room tone and reduce the signal-to-noise ratio to below about 10 dB to make speech muffled. Once done, normalize lightly if needed, but avoid restoring highs. If something sounds too dead, check whether excessive clipping wiped intelligibility versus excessive silence. Adjust noise floor or reintroduce slight midrange to keep words barely readable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.